Hey guys, welcome to the Coin Report channel. While many are wondering why Cardano stands still, something unbelievable is happening behind the scenes. Today I will share with you the exact reasons why ADA will outperform many cryptocurrencies. I will tell you about critical price points gathered from different forecasts and personal research. The information in this video will blow your mind. Lately, I've noticed that the Cardano price has been acting strangely. It made me think that we're missing some very important detail. That is why I took on studying the behavior of this cryptocurrency in more detail. As soon as I managed to dig deeper, everything fell into place in the blink of an eye. And predictions from popular crypto personalities, no longer seemed impossible to me. So, what's next? Let's find out. Before we move on to the predictions from the crypto gurus of this market, please pay attention to the coin's price movement. You don't notice anything strange here. For a long time, cryptocurrency's price has been kind of moving sideways without significant declines. And all of this is happening against the backdrop of massive major players' sales. So, Celsius converted all its coins, altcoins, to Bitcoin and Ethereum as of July 1st. Among the cryptocurrencies, Cardano was also present in a rather impressive volume. In addition, on June 27th, a well-known platform, Robinhood, stopped supporting ADA tokens. In other words, the broker simply gave up his coins by selling them on the market. And it's worth taking another look at the cryptocurrency's chart here. The price hasn't changed much since then. Yes, of course, if you look closely, you can see more red than green candles. But in fact, the Cardano price continues to move in a certain range, indicating a complete sales absorption and, consequently, the cryptocurrency strength. If we also add to all of this the emerging narrative of a bull market starting, provoked by the mass submission of equally composed bets from global investment firms from the spot Bitcoin ETF, we end up with a pretty good launching pad for takeoff. Based on the information I told you earlier, Cardano holders will likely see considerable profits in the near future. What price points should you target and where should you sell? We'll talk about that in just a few seconds. In the meantime, please give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. That way I'll know you're really interested in this topic. And we continue. Folks, let's start with a prediction from one of Cardano's brightest supporters, BitBoy Crypto. He believes the cryptocurrency's price could jump to $3 during the next bull market. In fact, such a mark looks quite conservative, as we have already seen the coin at $3.10 in late summer of 2021. As for the current situation, we only need a 10-fold increase to reach that level. Also, when altcoins leave a bear market, many altcoins make a so-called rebound, increasing their price by 2 or 3 times. So, a 10 times growth by 2024 or even 2025 looks very realistic. But where did the $3 figure come from at all? And why not more? Firstly, $3 per coin is the highest Cardano price we've ever seen. Therefore, expecting the price to return to this level is logical. Secondly, the project capitalization at its peak was nearly $100 billion. So again, we have the potential to grow by a factor of 10 times. Well, it is a conservative forecast since it considers the possibility of not overcoming the previous price peak. Because with the Litecoin example, we see that it does not necessarily mean the cryptocurrency price will set new high marks with each cycle. Not at all. There must be some reason for moving upward or overcoming the all-time high. And according to Ben Armstrong, at least for the start of the bull run to $3, there is such a reason. In 2017, Charles Hoskinson founded this Cardano project as an alternative to Ethereum. Since then, the company has maintained its lofty position as one of the best altcoins and is constantly present in the top 10 cryptocurrencies by its capitalization. And as you know, big funds primarily invest in the best assets. Going back to the BitBoy crypto prediction, he also believes that you should not fixate your attention solely on $3. On the contrary, you need to be prepared for anything. For example, Cardano may reach the same capitalization as Ethereum has now in a distant future. ADA would then be worth $6.50 per coin, 22 times Cardano's current capitalization. Anyway, it requires Cardano TVL to grow and people to start using blockchain cryptocurrency more, not just speculating on the coin price. Perhaps it is through asset tokenization that this blockchain will have a chance to become something more than just an alternative to Ethereum. The next prediction will be from the author of the Crypto Capital Ventures channel. In his recent video, he gave a forecast on Cardano. His analysis is based on the assumption that Bitcoin will reach $125,000 by the end of 2024. Is it really possible? Guys, after a long and somewhat debilitating bear market that is widespread among many retail investors, to stop believing in the sudden jumps of the first cryptocurrency. For example, as was the case in 2020, when few expected that Bitcoin could grow by 6 times in short time after halving, and given the hype that has now been raised by the possible approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs, this scenario looks very real. I suggest you take a look at this very important graph. Dan Garbardello believes that ADA could peak in relation to Bitcoin in the next bull market. This value is approximately 0.00006, assuming that the first cryptocurrency will be worth about $125,000. In that case, Cardano's price will be $78 at its peak, and that's 26 times from the current values. Another important chart is the ratio of ADA to Ethereum. Right now, the price is at an all-time low. If Cardano's dominance can return to a maximum value of around 0.001, then we get $10 per ADA coin. Not bad, right? But I want to cool your enthusiasm a bit. I'm not against such a price, but first of all, you should understand that the market is a complex mechanism, the behavior of which cannot be accurately predicted by looking at historical data alone. In addition, a lot also depends on the project itself, its policies, and so on. This is why I always recommend returning your initial investment after 3 times growth, and then keep the free coins for as long as you need them. Well, the last prediction for today is from Altcoin Daily, a channel that needs no introduction. In a recent video of theirs, the popular influencer shared his thoughts on Cardano. Altcoin Daily believes that the ADA could solve an artificial intelligence problem in the future. Well, which one? There are many that can arise, and one of them is fake photos and videos. Now imagine that as artificial intelligence advances, it will be harder and harder to verify which photo or video is true. It's likely that we will see much more of this type of material pointing out celebrities' bad and even disgusting actions. And these fakes will look very realistic. Charles Hoskinson says we all need a system to check and monitor the material's validity, and Cardano, as a blockchain, may offer such a solution. But what exactly that will be is not yet clear, as there is very little information about it at the moment. But the fact that the cryptocurrency is already working with SingularityNet, an artificial intelligence project, inspires much faith in Cardano's future. And that's it for today. Subscribe to the Coin Report channel. Thanks for watching. See you later.